Hi, for this video, I will be showing you how to make a boomerang video on Snapchat Android mobile device. First, you have to make sure that you are connected to a good network connection. Second is to ensure that your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version. After ensuring all of these, open your Snapchat application. Before making your video, you can choose the filter that you want to apply on your video by sliding the circle icons to the left. After deciding on what filter to use, you may now long press the circle button found in the center of your screen for how long you like. In this instance, I will press it for about 2 to 3 seconds. On the right side of your screen, you will see that you are provided with these icons. Now select the icon found in the last option. By tapping, you will notice that it changed to loop. By doing so, this will make your video into a boomerang. Now tap on the next button and send it to your friends. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.